Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda CBR300R lightweight sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This one's got the really cool matte black and gold finish. It's got the gold tape on the wheels. That's reflective. Very nice safety feature. Only 12,000 miles on this awesome lightweight CBR300R. Come on by. Make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $34.99. That should be higher probably. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.